Hello guys, welcome to my channel Minix Tech. Today we are going to look how to install VMware Workstation on Windows 2019 or Windows 10 machines. So you need to open the Google and just type VMware Workstation download. Click on the first link and scroll down. You will see that the VMware Workstation 16 Pro for Windows as well as for Linux. Today we are going to download it for Windows operating system. Once you click on that, you will see that the file to download. Click on Save button. It will download that file. So I have already downloaded that file. Okay, so what I will do, I will just double click on this setup. It's just 621 MB file. Click on yes. This is VMware Workstation 16 Pro setup. Yes, so you will see the wizard of installation. Just click on next. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. Here you have to select this default path, as this will add the VMware console in your system path in system properties of Windows. If you want to enhance keyboard experience, you can click on this machine. A reboot will require for this feature. Click on next. Here you will see two options. This one is for the customer experience improvement program. Just click on uncheck it. If you want to see the product updates, you can click on this checkbox. Click next. You will see two options over here. One is to create the shortcut of VMware Workstation for desktop or from start menu program folder. Click next and click on install. So as you can see that the file is starting installing the necessary component on your machine. Open the control panel. You can see that in network status, VMware adapter, it will show here as a virtual NIC. Currently it's installing virtual network drivers. You can see that the drivers is installed. Now there are 3 drivers installed by this software on your machine. So once this setup is completed, you will get two options. One is license and second is finish. License you can activate within 30 days or you can use the trial version of this software. Click on finish. Double click on this desktop icon of VMware Workstation. And you can see that the console is open. Here your software is in evaluation period for 30 days. Okay, this is just installation video of VMware Workstation. If you like, please hit the button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.